Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this supplement. The supplement name is Vital Grow XL Gummies Max. So is this product really worthy for you? You should consume or not, and what are the problems? What are the side effects? How to use or you should use or not, and what are the main problems? So in this video we will cover each and every information. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that this gummy is they are claiming that this gummy is best for, you can say, male or you can say men's performance. So is this product really good for you or not? So let's check their, you can say, nutrition information. And when we check their nutrition information, what we find that this product basically is a health supplement, and this product is made from some you can say fruits and some kind of, you can say, minerals and vitamins only. So the results, if we're talking about the result is on an average. You are not getting any kind of like magic results. You have to consume like at least one bottle, and when you use one bottle you will get any kind of change in your body. Then you can continue. If you are not getting good kind of results after consuming one bottle, then you can avoid, because everyone body is different, and like everyone body's blood group is also different. So the results is depend on your blood group and your body condition. Maybe you will get good kind of result, and maybe you are not getting any kind of result. So the results are depends on your body and your, you can say, health, or you can say your dietary supplement diet, or your natural diet, or you can say food diet. Okay, so we cannot say this will 100% work for you, and we cannot say this will not work for you. And it's all depend on your health and all your body or your diet. Okay, so now what is the main conclusion of this product? The main conclusion is you can use only one bottle. If you get good result, then you can continue, and you can avoid. Okay, if you are not getting result, then you can avoid. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.